Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, convertible soft top, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Your new ride is just a phone call away.